Alright, hey, what's up people? This is Tony Rey-no from Two Wheel for Fun. You know, the site I created for the simplicity of the ride. I'm sure all of you have seen this before. I am at the top of Gotti Hill Road here in Lancaster. Well, I did the video yesterday showing Ashley the 360 footage from the front of the bike when I had it mounted here. Well, I figured I'd take it a step further and go ahead and show him the rear view from being attached to the handrail. And also, like I mentioned yesterday to the video with Ashley, I've never used this angle, so I figure since I'm talking about it, let's get out and give it a try. So I'm gonna turn this bad boy on right now, and this will be going obviously I don't have a speaker hooked up to it, so I have, oh, that's bad, 10 minutes of juice. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but well, obviously 10 minutes. So let's see how much footage we can get. Hopefully it does. Shit, it's already turned off. So tell you what, people, plan B. Let's do plan B. Let's let's let it charge up a little bit. Let's get over to Spunky Canyon, do a little bit of filming over there, because I'll have some more juice on it, because I'm going to take this off, plug it up in the bike, and I'll get back with you when we get over to Spunky Road. All right, peace. All right, people, I am here at the bottom of Spunky Canyon Road now, and the GoPro is charged up, but it only charged up to like 15%, so I don't know how much 360 footage I'm gonna get. But again, I just want to show you this rear angle on the Goldwing and what I'm gonna capture. I'm gonna give you two examples. One, I'm gonna manipulate the view during post-production, and then the other view, I'm just gonna let the internal gyroscopic thing do its business, and you can see the difference. I'm gonna put them one after the other, and then I'm gonna put them side by side, so you can see the difference between manually manipulating it and then just letting the gyroscopic thing do its job. Okay, here's a little manual editing. Once downloaded to the GoPro player, I just go in and manually change the angle and direction of the camera to what I want to see. This can be a little complicated at first, so be sure to check out YouTube videos for an in-depth view of 360 editing. Now, I'm not a master at it, but I can tell you, practice makes perfect. Now, if you don't want to be bothered with manually editing footage, the GoPro 360 has an internal gyroscope that moves automatically depending on which way the bike is leaning. And if I'm not mistaken, I think speed comes into play as well, thus providing amazing footage. If you're not worried about that special angle or scenery, then ride and let the camera do the work for you. Now, to really show the difference between a manual edit and using the internal gyroscope, shown here is the same frame of footage. The top has been manually edited and the bottom is shown using the internal gyroscope. What do you think about that? Alright people, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed this little video and hopefully it helped someone. Next time out, I'll show 360 footage from the front of my Goldwing, because I have an attachment for that as well. With that said, I'm Tony Rey-no, and you've been watching Two Wheel for Fun, a site I created for the simplicity of the ride. And remember people, in this life, live this life. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.